Hi, today we're playing with the Missing Link Audio Peacock Overdrive pedal, said as being the Fillmore Easterner box. You have various controls here you can play with, the voice, the gain, level, the tone. So we're also using a Missing Link Audio modified Bernie Les Paul, so it's got the Peacock pedals. Notice the Peacock covers on there, they're pretty cool. It's got a 50s wiring mod. We're going into a Fender Hot Rod Deluxe, wound down pretty low because I'm at home, don't want to upset the neighbours. First thing we do, I guess, this guitar is tuned open E, roughly. Then you need a slide, whichever one you want to use. I use these things, but Mr. Allman used the Coruscant. You see that thing? Bottles there. They get sweaty because they're closed in, so if you've been playing it for more than a while, they get really sweaty. So I prefer to use an open top thing, but quite thick glass. Okay, so today we're going to have a go at some of the Burkle noises that Mr. Allman used to do. Pretty easy to emulate, really. So here's how you do it. So I'm going to whack the guitar up full. We're going to go on the treble pickup. We're going to mute up here, probably around the 12. I've got that tone whacked all the way up on this pickup as well, but you can play with that. On the Peacock pedal, I've just got the voice wound way up, the middle switch in the middle, the gain's way up. So pretty much everything's up. So anyway, to do the Peacock to do the Burkle noises, you do the mute. Pretty much that's it. You just tap on the string and just slide up above here. Keep it between these two pickups. You can go below, but to get the high ones in front of this pickup at least. Anyway, in front of that. Okay, that's it really. You'll see probably videos of Duane. He used to do it slightly different. He'd do it with this hand. And mute up here with this, like that, but essentially the same thing, whichever you're comfortable with. Do that, I'm just doing little circles. Draw pictures. Here we'll do an 8. Anyway, that's how you do it. Have fun.